Sam from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm doing great, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Is working as a police officer or a detective or doing forensics is allowed in Islam?
This
in
is
Canada
permissible.
or in the West?
This is permissible as long as the job description is permissible. You see, even if you live in a Kafir country, you still have to prevent crime, you still have to bring criminals to justice, and being a law enforcement officer, ensuring that the law is upheld and abided by to protect the community and to prevent crime from happening and to preserve the order, this is fine as long as you're not doing anything haram. Being a forensic specialist or a detective solving crimes as well is fine, inshallah.